Go ahead. It's too high for her, I think. Here, get it. Come on, Kira. Maybe hold the branch down a little. I think it's too high for her. Did she get it? Good girl, Kira. Who picks apples? Who likes picking apples? You do.